equation is not a chemical equation, it is a nuclear equation. So these species you are seeing here are nuclei of their atoms. Now let's repeat it. Carbon 14, nitrogen 14, atomic number 7. Plus what? Let us represent that thing as X. Now to balance nuclear equation, the number at the left must be equal to the number at the right. To balance this 14 at the left, we must write 0 here, right? So that 14 plus 0 is the same 14, right? To balance the atomic number, we have 6 at the left already. But here we have 7, and we must add something to this 7 to make it 6. When you add something to a bigger number to get a smaller number, it means that something you are adding is a negative value. For you to get 6 by adding something to 7, it means what you are adding is minus 1, right? So 7 plus minus 1 is just as saying 7 minus 1, and that is 6. Therefore, the complete equation is this. But we must find out the meaning of X. There is a particular subatomic particle that has no mass or has negligible mass, and that particle is electron. An electron has a negative charge. Remember, atomic number gives us the charge. So the charge of an electron is negative. That is minus 1. Therefore, we just replace this X with electron. This is a fast-moving electron, not just the regular electron you see on the shell. A fast-moving electron originating from the nucleus of the atom is known as beta particle. So whenever we talk about electron in nuclear reaction, it is a fast-moving electron known as beta particle. This electron came from the nucleus of the atom. It is one of the subatomic particles that transmuted into this fast-moving electron-like particle, and that is called beta particle.